How to pay bills with Bank of America mobile banking. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Bank of America mobile application and then tap on the login option you see there and log yourself in using your login credentials for Bank of America. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on the Pay and Transfer option you see there to get started. Further, go ahead and select the Pay Bills option you see there and then go ahead and tap on any of the preferred option. I will tap on Go to Pay Bill option. Now, in order to add a payee, scroll down and tap on the Add a New Payee option you see there. Further, tap on the radio button to the payee you want to pay and you can select multiple pays if desired. Finally, tap on the pay option on the bottom right of your screen and then choose from the pay from account. Next, you will be required to enter the amount that you want to pay and then select the frequency and deliver by date. You can also add a reference note to self and then finally tap on the pay option. Now, on the confirmation screen, you can save a copy of or print or email your payment details and finally tap on the done option to return to the bill pay screen, and you can further view your payment on the activity tab. So this was about how you can make a payment with Bank of America mobile banking. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.